Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? Super Dope Productions here with another video. And as you can see, hey, we doing maintenance on the Q50 here. Getting her ready, for some Mexico stuff here this weekend. Gonna do a small little upgrade that I've had in the garage forever. Just haven't had the time to do it. But it's not really gonna be an install, it's more gonna be like a review. But I'll give you guys a little quick overview on what I did and how to do it. It's very simple, honestly. It comes with instructions too, but I did the P2M. Here, hold on, let me switch the camera. All right, so this is what I did. So I did the P2M subframe bridge collar kit installation guide. This is like about 80 bucks. So basically what you're doing is you're filling in the gap between your chassis with this little metal grommet, which, as you can see, it's the whole car, the whole front and rear subframe. There's other collar kits, and I thought I bought that one, but I bought this one on accident. But it's okay, I guess I'll try it out. But basically, it goes in between your subframe. So this is your rear subframe, as you can see. It basically goes in between the bolt, or the stud, I would say, in between here. So on the rear one, all you gotta do is remove these two bolts and then this nut, and it drops down, you put it in there and you tighten it back up. And you tighten it back to 89 foot-pounds, I believe, or 85, because that's the torque spec. And on the rear, same thing, you just drop it, and then you bring it back up. And I did one at a time, so that way your whole subframe doesn't drop, obviously. But as you can see, here's the other one. But this isn't really an install. I'm just giving you a quick overview on what you should do. And then in the forward, the bolts will be this one right here. As you can see, you can tell that there's that little spacer in between, the little collar there, and right here. And that would be on both sides, obviously. So it's gonna be 8 total, 4 in the front, 4 in the back. But that's just a quick overview. I really didn't want to do an install because it's honestly really simple. But of course, it's way easier when you have like a lift. But it's definitely doable on jack stands. Just make sure you jack up the car, throw your jack stands on, do all that good stuff. But it's mainly gonna be a review. So right now I'm gonna go put the slicks back on, or the Mickey Thompsons. And then I'm gonna go to the gas station, fill up on E, and then we're gonna do a little quick overview. And I'm gonna see if I can feel a difference. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, because I have not seen anybody do this kit. So it's the P2M kit. I bought it at Concept Z. Here's the part number. So we'll see. We'll see if it does anything. We'll see if you get any noise vibration also, because sometimes when you do stuff like this, it'll be noisy, and it's a daily driver, so I don't want that to happen. But without further ado, I'm gonna put the slicks on. So let me do that real quick. So YouTube magic. All right, so I'm on the way to the gas station right now. I just did one quick pull, and honestly, it feels way better. I did not expect it to do too much, but the car just feels a little more. It feels a little more planted. Like when I when I would do a pull, the car would kind of float a little, kind of like the suspension. I could feel the suspension kind of flex a lot. But honestly, with those, I kind of did feel it. And then it's replacing the front and rear. So I didn't expect it to do that much. But honestly, it does feel like it did a lot. So sorry for the thing. It's kind of dark in here. Oh, there it is. That's better. But yeah, it definitely feels way better. Yeah, it's kind of weird. The car just feels a little more solid. Like the steering feels a little more responsive. Like just turning right now. Obviously, it's still floaty because I'm on springs. I know once I get some adjustable arms and coilovers, the car will float real good, because I keep hearing that a rear sway bar and coilovers do a world of a difference. So I'm probably gonna do that and the subframe collars later on, because these are just collars for the bolts itself. So I don't know, but I guess we'll keep going. I'm gonna go fill up on E and see how she does. So I'll get back to you guys when I get to the gas station. All right, so there she is, all nice and washed up. I did some pulls last night in it. Honestly, I think the bushings really helped. I really would recommend them. They're only 80 bucks too, and fairly simple to install. Obviously easier when you have a lift, but it's definitely doable on jack stands, like, for sure. The front ones are way easier. You just take the bullet down and put it back up. But anyways, yeah, I did some pulls last night. I did some draggy runs. And honestly, it seems like I'm doing 0.1 to 0.2 better on my draggy times, which sounds crazy. I didn't think it'd do that much of a difference, but it actually did. So 0.1 to 0.2 better on the draggy consistently than my previous times. And last night when I did my draggy times, I was like really close to what I was when I'm full weight, when I'm gutted and like really low on gas. Because right now I'm full weight and full and literally filled up to the brim on gas, so that's a lot of extra weight. But yeah, I mean, without further ado, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next one. I think on Friday we're probably gonna vlog. Here's a little run here to Mexico, so stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys on Friday then. God, I love how this car looks. She's just so beautiful. And let me know what videos you guys want to see. I can make other ones. I think I'm gonna get the Pride trans mount here pretty soon too, so let me know. But either way, just let me know what you guys want to see. I'll definitely do more on this Q50. Yeah, peace.